Food for losing weight. Losing weight is not rocket science, but still raises many questions. As some diets are too dull and restrictive, many people fail to achieve or maintain result. No single food guarantee weight loss, but there are plenty of healthy options that can help support your weight loss effort when including as a part of a healthy diet. Chicken. Chicken is easy to cook, cheap and high protein food. It also contains calcium and phosphorus. Chicken breasts are not the only option for weight loss. You can eat chicken wings and thighs as well. Tuna. Tuna is a lean fish full of protein omega 3, also known as fish oil, vitamins and minerals. You can find several options canned tuna, tuna fillet, and tuna steak. Shrimp. Shrimps are another lean protein source that work especially well for people who can't or choose not to eat meat. 100 gram of cooked shrimps with no oil added contain 21 gram protein and only 2 gram fats. Egg. Egg are a popular choice for breakfast. It's now wonder because there are many ways to cook and serve egg. Eating egg for breakfast also tame your hunger for at least 3 hours as they are very satiating due to the high amount of protein and fats. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt contains 2 times more protein than regular yogurt and also have probiotic bacteria that improve digestion. For better weight management, choose whole and sugar-free option without additive and fillings. Cucumber. Cucumber contain of 96% of water. They hydrate your body and have low calories density. They provide you with vitamin K, calcium and vitamin D. Beef. Choose lean or ground beef as a part of your weight loss diet. Such meat contains significantly more protein than fat and no carbohydrates at all. Freshly cooked beef steak is a healthy meat that gives you enough protein to maintain your muscle mass when you lose weight. Beans. Beans in all variation are a great source of plant protein and starch as they belong to food group of legumes. It makes dishes made of pulses a must have in all vegetarian or vegan diet. Moreover, they contain probiotics. They help digestion and promote satiate. Watermelon. As 90% of watermelon is just water, this fruit is a perfect choice for weight loss. 100 gram serving is just 30 calories. Watermelon sweetness make it great dessert that will keep you hydrated and won't harm your body. Coffee. Coffee speed up your metabolism and even lead to consuming fewer calories. But be aware that adding milk, syrup, sugar, cream or anything else can make your drink not so innocent. For those who take like a snack with a cup of coffee, use berries and nuts instead of sweet.